Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share location on Google Maps. Google Maps has the most comprehensive location sharing functionality. You can share your live location with someone for a preset time or permanently. You can also share your current trip so that the recipient sees your location and how much time is left on your trip. Both are simple to set up but require a different process. Share your live location with someone permanently or for a limited time on Google Maps. This option allows you to share your live location with someone through Google Maps. The person sees your location on a map in real time and your remaining battery percentage, which might explain why you aren't picking up their calls. The people you share your location with can set up notifications so that the Google Maps automatically notifies them when you enter or exit a specific area. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the upper right corner and tap Location Sharing. Then, tap the blue Share Location button here. Select the duration of your location sharing and select who you want to share your location with. By default, Google Maps recommends your most frequent contacts. The recipient can see your location in real time using Google Maps. After sharing your location with someone, the list of people you granted access to appears in the location sharing section. Then, tap Stop to revoke access and stop sharing your location with them. The other option, share your trip progress. Another way to share your live location with Google Maps is by sharing your trip progress. This is a convenient way to share your location and data when you don't want to send updates or stop sharing your location when you arrive. You'll use Google Maps for driving directions to do this. If you stop the guidance during the trip for a meal break, for instance, it automatically stops sharing your progress. It's primarily useful for shorter trips and commutes. Here's how it works. On a Google Maps, select your destination and start driving guidance. On your phone, tap the remaining driving time and tap Share Trip Progress. Select who you want to share your trip progress with. By default, Google Maps recommends your most frequent contacts. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.